Hey guys, so I'm going to give you an update on this Clickly email marketing. So I've sent out emails every day. I've gone through my trial period. I made $50, $10 a day, which isn't a whole lot of money, but if you think about it long term, that's 200 extra bucks a month. And if you keep doing it, it actually grows. And there is a referral program. So anybody that you refer, you get 100%. So I'm going to show you exactly what I do. So here's the back office of Clickly Pro. So far, everything is working out for me. Like I said, I've made $50 so far. I come in here every morning. It takes me maybe 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes. My list is growing because I did upgrade. I did pay $97 to go to the Pro version, which is $97 for just one time. It's a one-time payment. So I come over here to the left. As you can see, there's welcome to the team. This here where it says live training, I highly recommend you come down here, watch this video, but this video, it's about 90 minutes long. It has everything you need to know in it, okay? So if you're serious, make sure you watch this 90-minute video. And you can watch it in chunks. You don't have to watch it all at one time. And then I come over here, I go to step 1. My emails are already created for me. I scroll down. Right here, I work ahead because if you are past the trial period, you can no longer send out emails the same day. You do have to work ahead. So I come down here. This is my list that I'm building. I take this out and I put 5,000 in here. Click, go to next step. Here are my emails. They do rotate. I click here. I add my name here. And then I hit send later because remember, I'm past my trial. So I'm sending later. I choose the date. I am actually on the 12th. I pick the time and then I hit send. Boom. I do that for trial period. You do it 15 times, okay? And then I'm going to come back up just like this. I'm going to go over to step 2, which is my list building. And then I'm going to come down here. You will do this twice. You'll send out 20,000. So same thing. You come down here to your emails. You click. You put in 20. You go to the next step. Scoot down a little more. Select your emails. Again, these rotate. And then you would schedule. If you're in the trial, you're going to say schedule now. And then send that email. And guys, boom. That's it. Right? Worth $50, $70 a week. I think so. That's an additional $200, $280 a month. Think about it. Think what you could do with that. But I'm going to grow my list to see what happens because you do have to grow your list in order to earn more money. So I'll just keep updating you guys. So I think it's really cool. Let me know if you're interested. The link is in my bio. And save this for later.